Title: GP, your healthcare part, meaning. Today, we're discussing the abbreviation GP. GP stands for General Practitioner, medical doctor who provides primary healthcare services and serves as a first point of contact for patients. It signifies the importance of accessible and comprehensive healthcare. Pronunciation. Pronouncing GP is simple. GP enunciating each letter. Use in a sentence. For example, your GP can help you with a wide range of health issues, from routine checkups to managing chronic conditions. Importance. General practitioners are crucial in delivering essential healthcare, offering guidance, diagnosis, and treatment while building long-term relationships with patients. Conclusion. In summary, GP is an abbreviation that represents the primary healthcare provider, your first partner in maintaining your well-being. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word, exploration. Until then, value the role of GPs in keeping you healthy and informed.